Hello and welcome to Moonlite Labs, a global platform allowing users to generate studio-grade multimedia content with text prompts, image, and video input. So to begin, you can generate an image with a simple text prompt. And so you can see a polar bear in Winnipeg, and then we can use that as an input to generate a video. And so then as you can see here, we generated a beautiful drone shot with that polar bear and going over the river and up the Human Rights Museum and showing a beautiful skyline aerial shot. And after that, we can use that video as an input to do visual effects and say, make this into a summer shot, for example. So now you're seeing the exact same shot, but converted into a summer. So it's like visual effects with words, with images. Next, you can bring this whole thing into our cloud-based editor. You can continue to generate, and you can bring in your different assets and see from your library. You can click and drag and move things around, easily crop with guidelines. You can resize, and then you can easily export and do this all within the browser. So you can see the difference between the top shot and the bottom shot. And afterwards, you can then bring this into your marketing hub. You can see the analytics of how your content is performing. You can connect up to 15 different channels, and then you can connect all your DMs, your inboxes, and even go to the planner where you can create a post, add captions, bring in your piece of content, and immediately schedule it across all these different channels, all in one seamless workspace. Then you can go to the library, you can see all the different content you've generated, you can copy prompts, you can reuse the settings to see how you and your other team had created that content. And speaking of teams, you can invite other team members, give them different roles. You can see all the different content that they've generated in your team plan. You can look at the usage, the analytics, you can allocate them credits, you can set parameters depending on projects. And really, we've created an entire ecosystem for content creators and teams to be able to generate studio-grade multimedia content. You can create, you can edit, and you can share. You can make ad content, film, and we're partnered and supported by the NRC, the National Research Council of Canada, Manitoba Innovates, NRC IRAP. We've been at conferences like Viva Tech and through Scale AI, and we were named a top 30 startup by TechCrunch at Viva Tech. And we currently have users in over 100 different countries being able to create beautiful, incredible content.